Hello everyone, welcome to my day 4 lab. What we have to do is implement what we learned in Coefficient into our PHP version of our day 3 lab. But for some reason my execute function here is not working. Last time what I did is I manually passed in the variables onto my SQL statement. And I know that we're not supposed to do that. We're supposed to be using this execute statement right here. But I couldn't get mine working. I have it just the way I think it's supposed to be. And I have this question marks here so it fills in whatever it's in order, I'm guessing. So whatever comes in order, it's still not working. So I'm going to try explaining what we did in class. So here we have a big if statement. If the action is blank, it's gonna go to the home page. If the action says get all users, it brings you to that get all users page, and then get user and delete user, and then add form. It's all basically like that. So if we check our users, if I check our users class, and here we have all the different function names with the SQL statements, and here we're passing the parameters right into the values. So this makes it a little bit easier than PHP, because on CodeFusion you can just pass it right in there, just like I was doing to PHP before. But on PHP, I know that we're supposed to be using that query, which I haven't figured out how to use yet. So let's see how. Yeah, and here's the error. It says I have a syntax error expecting on line 55 on users. So if I go on users 55, I don't see that syntax error. I mean, it's probably something small, something stupid, but yeah, I don't have that figured out. So let's run the CodeFusion. This is what we did in class together. If you click on all users, you can see that the action says all users, so it brings you to this page. If you click on home button, it empties out that action, so we're back to the home page. So, and then add user, there's a form. So if we add Marcos and then Marcos, create a user, it says the user has been added. So if we go to all users, there's the last user that I added. So I can update this user, and it brings you to the update user page with an ID of 40, because if you go back here, when you mouse over update, on the bottom left you can see the right ID, so you can just do that, and it says user has been added, but my message is wrong. It should be saying user has been updated. And delete, same thing, user deleted. There we go. So yeah, I couldn't figure out why this is not working. I mean, I'm sure I could probably figure out manually the way I did it here, but it's not gonna be the same. I think I learn anything really if I do it this way. I'm really trying to figure out how to implement this execute function onto my query statement right here. So that was basically it for my day 4 lab. Haven't done much. I haven't done anything, but I tried to implement what we learned onto our lab today, but I wasn't successful. So, and I'm not gonna edit this video since I don't get graded on this. But thank you for watching.